Hello, hope you're having a good week back at school so far. Happy Tuesday. Today we're going and looking at adding in columns. So we did an introduction to column addition yesterday, adding in columns today. So, adding two-digit numbers. We can work out 25 plus 48. How can we work it out? We can set it out like this. 5 plus 8 equals 13. 20 plus 40 equals 60. And then we can add the two numbers together, 13 and 60. Now, yesterday we looked at short column addition, and today we're looking at long column addition. Some people find short column addition easier. Some people find long column addition easier. Okay, so we saw that 10 blocks were taken off the ones and put into 110 because we can't have 13 ones in a number. So let's have a go at solving these addition problems using the long addition method. I'm not going to use the abacuses to help me, but if you want to pause it or have the own lesson yourself, then you can. 7 plus 7 is 14. So that's 1 in the 4 in the tens and the 4 in the ones. 40 plus 30. 4 plus 3 is 7. So that will be the 7 in the tens, and we don't have any ones because it's 70. 40 plus 30, so it will be 70. And then I add them together, 4 and 8. Let's have a look at this one. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. So I'm going to put 1 in the ones, 1 in the tens, and then I'm going to move on to my tens. 40 plus 20 is 60. So I put 60 in the column below, and then I add them together. That 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 plus 1 is 10. I hope you is 70 in the tens column. I hope you can see that this is very similar to yesterday's work, but instead of writing the whole number, what we did yesterday was just we put a little 1 and then we added them together. Okay, I'm going to do one more. I'm not going to do them all. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 3 in the ones and 1 in tens. 40 plus 30 is 70. So so that will be 7 in the tens and 0 in the ones. 0 plus 3 is 3. 7 plus 1 is 8. 83. Okay, try the other two on your own. So there is a quicker way of writing these additions. Now we're thinking about short addition. The 3 goes in the ones. We've added 110. So that 1 can go underneath or above, and then we add these together, just like we were doing yesterday. So let's have a go at writing them out this way. It's good to know both methods because then you can understand where the numbers are coming from. It's really important to understand place value, so it's important to try both. 6 plus 5 is 11. So I've got 1 in the ones and 1 moves into the tens. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Now it is a quicker method. You can see I'm doing it a lot quicker. I'll probably get all 5 done. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So we've got the 2 in the ones column, the 1 in the tens column. 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9 for 90. So 92. 4 plus 7 is 11. So 1 in the ones column, 1 in the tens, underneath the tens column. I shouldn't say in the tens column. It's not in the tens column. It's underneath or above the tens column, depending on where you want to write it. And then 4 plus 3, don't forget to add on the 1. So 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. So that's 80, 81. I'll do one more and we'll leave the last. Oh no, we won't leave the last one because it goes into hundreds. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 2 plus 1 is 5. 53. 9 plus 9 is 18. So you've got 8 in the ones, 1 in the tens, and then I'm adding 80 plus 70 plus 10. Okay, so 80 plus 70 is 15. 80 plus 70 is 150, but 8 plus 7 is 15. So 150, add 10 is 160. So the 6 has to go in the tens, the 1 has to move into the hundreds, And I don't have any other hundreds, so I can leave the 100 here. We could have a 0 up here to show we don't have any hundreds, but we don't. All of them correct. So, how can we work out 168 plus 257? Okay, this one we're doing the ones, 15. Okay, so we again take off that 110, take off that 10 ones, make it 110, I should say, and then we write the 1 underneath. Add together the tens. 6 plus 5 plus 1 equals 12. So I take off 10 tens and make it into 100. And then I need to put that 100 underneath, and then 2 plus 1 plus 1 would be 400. So I'm going to do 2 of these, and then you can pause the screen and do these 2 if you want to. You could write them on a piece of paper if you want to, or you may have the lesson up just like I've been asking you to do. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. So I add a 3 there and a 1 for the 13 into the tens. 8 plus 4 plus 1. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 13 tens would be needed to split into 3 tens and 100. 1 plus 1 is 2. We've got 200s. So it'll be 233. 7 plus 4 is 11. So we've got 1 in the ones column and 1 in the tens column. 8 plus 1 plus 1 would be 8, 9, 10. 10 tens is the same as 100. 10 tens is the same as 100. 80, 90, 100. So I don't have any spare tens because that 100 will be moved to here. So I have a 0 in my tens column, but that 0 needs to go into the tens column because if you missed out, it would only be, it wouldn't show that there was 0 tens, and therefore the hundreds might be confused as the tens. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8. Give the other 2 a go on your own. Okay, how can we work out this addition? There's lots of numbers in this addition. Okay, exactly the same. First we add together all the ones. 7 plus 6 plus 6 plus 9 is 28. Now we've got 2 8s to be moved now. The 2 in 28. We've got 2 10s in 28. So they move to the tens column. I said 8s before, I meant 10s. And then we need to add all the tens together. 90 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 20. 29 tens. So we have 29 tens. So that 29 tens is the same as 290. So that we have 200s, so that needs to move to the hundreds column. Then we add our hundreds. 4 plus 2 plus 2, 8. So we can do as many numbers as we need to get the numbers together. Okay. Have a go at your My Portal work, and I look forward to seeing how well you do and teaching you again tomorrow.